Hey, Roman, what are you doing? There's Taz. There's Roman. What are you doing? Where do you think you're going? Say hello to Heidi. Where's Heidi? Where's Heidi at? Oh my goodness. What? Where is she? What are you looking at? Gonna get you. What? Hi. Hi. Just want to show Heidi that you're okay. Where's Taz? There's Taz, right? Hi, Taz. How are you doing? What you doing? What? You want some food, don't you? You see that chicken on the counter, and that's what you want. No. No. Ooh. Ooh. What? Oh, you. Okay, just a minute and I'll get you something.